Okay, so I have two computers, the Windows based one and my Mac, and only one keyboard and one mouse. So for this reason I bought this gadget. This is supposed to switch between two computers, so you can use the same keyboard and mouse on both of them. Let's see what's inside. So we have the device itself. Looks like this, with a button on top. This is another button, so if you have this under the table, you can put the button on the table so you can easily switch between the two computers. Okay, for some reason the recording stopped, but I unboxed another two cables. They are both USB cables and they connect to this device and to each of the two computers. Okay, so now with the device installed, I can use my mouse and keyboard on this MacBook, and with one single click on this button I can switch my keyboard and mouse to the other computer that is Windows based. So very easy, I can switch between them. It works like it should.